Hey everybody, Jim here. What's going on? By the end of the lesson, you're going to be able to do upbeats with the left hand, jazz swing, and then upbeats bass drum, like this.
In this section, I demonstrate upbeats with the left hand and then upbeats with the bass drum.
Alright, let's go ahead and start.
Alright, I'm playing the jazz eighth notes on the snare drum. You can see and hear the upbeat, hi-hat on 2 and 4. And then after I get that internalized, I'm going to go ahead and get the ride cymbal and bass drum steady. And then you can hear the upbeats in the left hand. I'm playing it a little louder so you can hear it. Slower now. One, 4. Go back and forth. Try doing the jazz eighths just on the snare drum for internalization. 2, 3, 4. Time for bass drum. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Even slower. It's okay if it's a little sloppy, it takes time.
Adding the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Time for the bass drum,
2,
and I am reviewing
3,
just in case if you want to play
4,
with me.
1, 2, 3, 4. Isolate it, go really slow day by day, and when you are ready, slowly speed it up. And if you can get it, the first measure like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, and it's a little staggered, that's called learning. That's okay, you're slowly getting this language down. You need the endurance, so practice it a little bit each day. If you get through it and keep at it, then you can start speeding it up a little bit, and then a lot of fun things happen. A lot of things can open up with this upbeat idea. If you go ahead and mix it up like this is weeks on the road, we're patient. Gives you a lot of variety and color. So let me know. I wanted to just do a lot of playing and less talking on this exercise, but I wanted to do some of the counts. Let me know what you think by hitting the like button.